Alright, so I'm going to go through this really fast because I hate tutorials that are too wordy and annoying. So here we go. I'm going to teach you how to make a really simple way to cycle through the color channel of your shader or material. And you can apply this to entire materials, or you can just use the color channel. In this case, it's just the color channel. So it's a really quick Xpresso rig. This is what it does. You can figure out what it's good for, but it would be useful. It's all keyframeable, so you can figure that out. Here we go. First step, new file, null object, give the null a name, give it a tag, Xpresso, give it some user data. You can name that if you want. Unit, that's the only real important thing right here. Real, everything else is fine. Okay, drag that as your first node.
Output port, set that to something, which is the user data you just created.
Then create a new material. Open that material up where it says texture. Load an image wherever your multiple images are going to come from. Whatever. Hit that. Drag the actual thumbnail into the Xpresso window, and that gives you a bitmap node. And on the input port, you want to go into shader properties and hit file. Then all you need, this is like the weird part,
not really weird, but necessary node, is you go to
new node, Xpresso logic condition. Obviously you want to hook your switch that you made in your user data field up to the word switch, and then you want to actually look at your attributes. When you have the condition node selected and you see two inputs, you want to change the data type to texture in this case. There's a bunch of other options. You can figure that out or apply however. Texture. You can add inputs by going in here and just clicking in the condition node input. And then, if you have your content browser set up, it's a good way to
organize stuff. Just start
dragging in your different textures. And you want to hook up the output to the file in the bitmap node, and you can close that, put an object in there, throw that on there, go to your whatever, and start clicking something like that. And you can see that's like easily keyframeable, like whatever. Let's say 5 frames is the limit.
Fuck it. So, you guys should probably go play outside. I know I'm going to go to a brothel and asphyxiate.